Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Capello Sleep Easy Alarm Clock User Manual. In the box, CR15 Alarm Clock Radio. User Guide. Overview. Specifications. Functions. Power source. Plug in the AC power adapter to a wall outlet providing 120 volts AC, 60 Hz. The output of the provided AC power adapter is AC 7.5 volts 100 milliamperes. Notes: disconnect the AC power adapter when not in use. Backup battery. To keep accurate time, this unit uses two AAA batteries sold separately for clock backup. These batteries keep the clock operating in the event of a power interruption. Replacing the battery. Open the battery door by pushing in on the tabs, and then removing the door. Insert two AAA batteries following the correct polarity indicated in the battery compartment. Replace the battery door on the compartment. When to replace the battery. The battery indicator will illuminate the display when there are no batteries or when the batteries are low. Setting the clock. Plug in the unit. Press and hold the time set button until the clock flashes in the display. Press the tune down hour button repeatedly to set the hour and press the tune up min button repeatedly to set the minute. Press the time set button again to store the new clock setting. Playing the radio. With the CR15 plugged in and powered on, press the time set band button to select FM or AM band. Repeatedly press the tune up min or tune down hour button to manually adjust the tuning on the display until the desired station appears. For auto tuning, press and hold the tune up min or tune down hour button until the display starts to scan, then release the button, and the tuner will search and stop on the next strongest station it finds. Repeat this process until the desired station appears on the display. Notes: fully extend the FM wire antenna to increase reception sensitivity. Keep digital music players or mobile phones away from the FM antenna as this may cause interference. Do not place the FM antenna near the AC power adapter as this may lead to reception interference. Setting radio presets. Setting the alarm. Snooze. When the alarm sounds, pressing the snooze sleep button will temporarily silence the alarm. The alarm will sound again after approximately 10 minutes. To extend the snooze duration, repeatedly press the snooze sleep button to cycle through and select one of the snooze presets. Notes: once the snooze function has been activated, press the snooze sleep button anytime and the display will show the remaining time. Repeatedly press the snooze sleep button to adjust or modify the current snooze time setting. Silencing the alarm. When the alarm sounds, press the alarm set preset button to silence the alarm. Setting the sleep timer. When the unit is powered on, press the snooze sleep button. The sleep icon and 15 will appear on the display briefly indicating the unit will turn off after 15 minutes. To increase the sleep time duration, up to a maximum of 90 minutes, repeatedly press the snooze sleep button to select one of the following sleep time presets. With the sleep timer active, press the snooze sleep button once to view the remaining sleep time. To cancel the sleep timer function, repeatedly press the snooze sleep button until off appears in the display. Precautions. Safety instructions. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.